Finding that your Nest doorbell works outside but does not ring inside the house cannot be good, especially when visitors arrive and you never hear the alert. Many users notice phone notifications still appearing while the indoor chime stays silent, or the doorbell camera works perfectly but no sound comes through indoors. Sometimes the issue starts suddenly after changing Wi Fi settings, power interruptions, or app updates. In many situations, a Nest doorbell not ringing inside issue can happen because of chime settings, indoor notification controls, power interruptions, or temporary app communication glitches. Before reconnecting everything repeatedly or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the Nest doorbell ringing inside properly again. 1. Open the Nest or Google Home app and confirm indoor chime notifications remain turned on correctly. 2. Check the Nest doorbell settings and make sure indoor ringing features stay enabled for your setup. 3. Restart the Nest doorbell briefly and allow the system time to reconnect normally afterward. 4. Confirm Wi Fi connection remains stable because communication interruptions may stop indoor ringing unexpectedly. 5. Press the Nest doorbell button again and confirm whether the indoor chime works properly afterward.